Hello everyone, and this is the last video from the Primera series. Only the wheels remained, so since they required quite a bit of work of airbrushing and masking, I decided that the first thing to do is to take off the original Tamiya silver paint. This is done by inserting them into isopropyl alcohol. This was originally transparent, clear. However, it has gotten yellow as can be seen in the video because it has been used a couple of times. Now, after 24 hours, it's time to recover the wheels. And as you will see, the paint, the original Tamiya silver paint, easily peels off from the surface. Now it's time to mask the central white piece of the rim so that I could airbrush the silver chrome on the outer piece of the rim. As you can see, I am using the display circle cutter, which I found really helpful for this job. I have a full unboxing video of that, and I will leave a link into this video's description below. And here is the mask installed in place, exactly the size that I wanted. I also drilled a hole so that I will install the air valves later on, and on the back you can see that I masked the centerpiece so that the spokes will remain white. These are the custom masks that were made for the backside, which were also cut with the display. The next job were the rivets, where as you can see I am painting them one by one using a toothpick dipped into chrome paint. Same thing was done to the central nut, where I am painting it with chrome paint, and that is in preparation for the clear red or clear blue that will be applied once the chrome is fully dried. Time to install the air valves. I am using these ones from Yamamoto, which were painted black, and then once they were dry, I simply cut them off using the nippers and attached them in place. Final job of the rims were the center nuts, where two of them were painted with clear red, while the other two were painted with clear blue. Now it's time to work on the tires, and the first thing to do is to install the original Tamiya tire decals. Although these are 30 years old, they were still in a very good condition, so I decided to use them, and they attach in a slightly different way compared to other decals, as can be seen from the following footage. So with some slight weathering added to the tire decals, it's now time to join the tire and rims together and then attach them to the chassis. With the tires in place, the only thing that remained is to join the chassis and interior to the body and call the Primera finished.